Just don't kick it when you go to run away.
I'm going over there before you start it.
Well, I'm just gonna...
It wasn't going
There
nowhere.
you go. Just put it right there.
Well, I want to be able to like, actually see it. I just don't want it to fall
Stick
in
in
the
that
water.
crack. Right there in that crack.
Just lean it away from the water, so if it falls away from the water.
Hold on. Give Jordan your phone.
No, I got it. I'm going.
Get back, Jordan.
Well, I'm getting back. Just trying not to trip over fucking shit. You know, I'm getting back a little bit more.
Woo!
Yeah!
That's how you make a sparkler bomb, buddy.
Woo!